electronics safe and running during power fluctuations. Here's a simulated unboxing experience for a typical APC backup. 600 were model designed for 230V input, commonly found in regions like India. The packaging: your APC UPS will arrive in a sturdy, standard brown cardboard box. The box itself is compact and designed to protect the unit during transit. You'll likely see the APC logo prominently displayed, along with the model number, example BX600C in or similar, the 600 W capacity rating, and information about the 230V input-output. The box will also highlight key features like battery backup and surge protector and automatic voltage regulation, AVR. Expect basic handling instructions and possibly a QR code for more product information or registration. Opening the box: upon cutting the sealing tape and opening the top flaps, you'll first be greeted by protective foam cardboard inserts. The UPS unit will be snugly nestled between custom-fit expanded polystyrene, styrofoam, or recycled cardboard inserts. These are crucial for absorbing shocks and preventing movement during shipping, ensuring the UPS arrives in perfect condition. User manual documentation: typically, the user manual will be placed on top of the foam inserts or tucked into a side pocket. This is your go-to guide for initial setup, troubleshooting, and understanding the app's features. You'll also find the warranty card and possibly a safety information sheet. Software CD, less common now, often a download link. Older models might include a CD with APC PowerShute software for advanced power management and automatic PC shutdown. Newer units often direct you to download the software from the APC website. Revealing the UPS unit: carefully lift the UPS unit out of the box, removing the protective inserts. The APC UPS 600 is generally a compact, black, tower-style unit, designed to sit conveniently beside your computer or other electronics. It feels substantial and well-built, reflecting its internal battery and components. What you'll find on the unit: front panel, power button, a prominent button, usually green, used to turn the UPS on-off and silence alarms. LED indicators, simple, easy-to-read LEDs that provide a quick status overview. Common indicators include: online, green, the UPS is operating on utility power. On battery, amber yellow, the UPS is providing battery backup. Replace battery, red indicates the battery needs to be replaced. Overload, red alerts you if the connected load exceeds the app's capacity. Some models might have a small display for more detailed information. Rear panel or side top, depending on design. Input: power cable, a fixed power cord, typically 1.2 to 1.5 meters long, with an India 3-pin 6A plug, ready to be plugged into your wall socket. Output sockets, this is where you'll connect your devices. For a 230V Indian model, you'll typically find 3 India 2/3 pin 6A battery-backed and surge-protected outlets. Some models might also include additional, surge-only, outlets that protect against surges but don't provide battery backup. Resettable circuit breaker, a small button that pops out if the UPS is overloaded, acting as a protective fuse that can be reset. USB port, for select models some versions include a USB Type-A port for connecting to a computer to use power management software or for charging mobile devices. Battery access panel, a slide-off cover or panel that allows access to the internal sealed lead-acid battery for connection during initial setup, if not pre-connected, or for future replacement. Initial setup, post-unboxing. Before you power up, you'll usually have one crucial step. Connect the battery. Many UPS units ship with the internal battery disconnected to prevent discharge during storage and transport. You'll need to locate the battery access panel, often at the bottom or rear, slide it open, and connect the positive, plus, battery terminal, usually a red cable. Ensure a secure connection. Once the battery is connected, You can plug the UPS into the wall, connect your devices, and power it on. The UPS will typically perform an automatic self-test and begin charging its battery. That completes the unboxing. You now have your APC UPS 600 were ready to provide reliable power backup and surge protection for your valuable electronics.